False emotions appearing real, the acronym for fear. Our own emotions and mental biases can destroy your savings faster than any market crash or financial crisis. So we really need to be guarded and understand and know that this is something real and that can happen. Sometimes people's fear of their loss is bigger than the joy of any gain. And this is where you really need to understand yourself. But deeper than that, the actual fear of how we're going to feel about our loss, not so much the loss, but how we're going to feel about the loss, is the real problem. And that is where savvy investors really can remove themselves and divorce themselves from the emotional side of investing. Myopic loss aversion is what it is, this fear of how we're going to feel when we have had a loss, or if we do have a loss. Well, there's a couple of ways you can mitigate this and of course prevent this from happening. One is really get the right support around you when you're investing with your team, as I so often speak about. And number two, look for lower risk investments that are really going to perhaps be slower and are sturdy and are sure and will not let you down. So by understanding and knowing your fears and understanding the facts, you will be able to invest and not end up with a fear factor of note. Happy investing.